Okay, we're right out there. We're here with Brett. He's gonna do his first flip. There it is. Negative, negative, negative. There you go. Fly that shit. Oh, hold mode, hold mode.
Hold mode. Hold mode.
Hold mode.
Got it. It's the wind. I got it. One more time, baby.
Yeah, and the best part is you could just pick it up and do it again.
Did you get a little bit of that?
Yeah, I got it all,
Oh,
dude.
man.
I got it all.
It's, man, I got to take it back way into the wind because
This is Coe Show. We're here with Superfan.
Superfan.
Superfan Brett, dude.
Thank you, Coe.
Yeah. Check it out. Teaching some 3 dizzle. There it is, there it is. There you go. Got some good altitude this time. So hold it, just concentrate. There you go. There you go, buddy. You got it, man. A little more negative to hold it up in the air. There you go. He's Mr. Negative. Hold mode. Hold mode. You had it, didn't you? That was a long, long time. Just a nice view of the beach. Yeah, dog. All right, man.
My first Hoover move.
Traveling down from Costa Mesa for some Coe Show 3D lessons. Earlier today, I smashed his helicopter all over the ground. That was awesome.
Now flies better.
Now it flies better. There it is. Look at you, man. Negative, negative. Oh, let's take it up. Oh, yeah, buddy. Hold on.
Oh, almost.
Oh, man. Yeah, he almost cut his eyebrows, dude. And that's how you get a haircut.